Hi everyone. Today we are going to present a final demo of our project, which is Smart Streetlight System. It is made by me and my partner Reha. So, introducing to this project, the Smart Streetlight System basically works on a system which handles the streetlights automatically based on various sensors. Which In this project we have used IR sensor and an LDR, which is light detecting sensor. So the motive of this project and the usage of this project is it is basically used in many smart cities these days uh, to uh, to prevent high cost of electricities and high cost of energies. uh, it basically turns on the street lights and turns off the street lights on the basis of an object or a vehicle coming near to the street light. So it is very efficient and it is energy efficient.
Here we are using the following hardware components. First of all, we are using the Arduino microcontroller. Then we are using a USB pin connector to connect the Arduino to the laptop. Then we are using the PIR sensor, which is a type of infrared sensor. Then we are using the LED to demonstrate the switching on and off of lamps. Then we are using LDR sensor and breadboard and jumper wires, and then few resistors for the LED. So software requirements, we are basically using two kinds of software. So first one is Arduino IDE. Here we debug the here we have written the main code for our microcontroller program, and we are using few libraries of Arduino along with this. Then we are using Blink mobile application. It is basically a platform for IoT application development. To control we are using Blink mobile application to control the intensity of LEDs and to switch on and off the LEDs through an app. So this is the basic control flow diagram of our project. So here we are using LEDs, IR sensor, and an LDR. So first of all, this IR sensor is connected to pin number 11, and the ground and VCC are given accordingly. Then the LED is connected to the pin number 6 through a resistor to control the amount of current which flows through LED. And then we are connecting the LDR sensor on through these two resistors at pin number A0, that is the analog pin. And we have grounded the other end of LDR. So we have all mounted these components on the breadboard, and we are connecting it to the Arduino board accordingly. So the implementation of this project. So basically we are using one LED and one IR sensor. So the IR sensor works like whenever there is an object detected by this IR sensor, it sends the value. It sends whether this object is detected or not, and to the circuit, and accordingly the LED glows and switches off.
We have used a Blink platform with our project, which is a Internet of Things handy platform. It can host and support any kind of IoT projects. So we have used this in our demonstration, and now we'll be demonstrating.
So this is the setup for Smart Streetlight project. In this project, we're using two sensors. PIR sensor, that is the passive infrared sensor, to detect the motion of any object or presence or absence of object. And second sensor which we are using is LDR sensor. It is a photoresistor and it is used to detect the intensity of light. So we'll be demonstrating two conditions to show the working of the project. First, we'll show it by keeping the light on, that is describing the daylight condition, and second, we'll keep the lights off to describe the night condition. Now, taking the first scenario into consideration, that is when there is a daylight and when the intensity of light is high. So during the daylight, the intensity of LDR is between 1 to 900, and during the night time, the intensity of LDR is greater than 1000. So for example, when this object is detected by this PIR sensor during the daytime, the LED doesn't glow. That is because the intensity of LDR is less than. Now as you can see, the value IR value is 1, which was detected here, and just because the intensity is less than 1000, the LED doesn't glow. Now describing the second scenario when the intensity of light is low, that is during the night time. So during the night time, the value of LDR is greater than 1000, as you can see from the terminal. So there is no light detected by the there is no light shown by the LED because there is no motion detected by the PIR sensor. But when there is a car or there is a movement, the LED glows and the LDR value is greater than 1000 and the IR value is 1. So this is how the Smart Street Light project works, and we have used the following hardware components for this project. So basically first we have used this Arduino Uno board, then there is this Atmega 2800 microcontroller on this Arduino board, and there is this two sensors, PIR sensor and this is the LDR sensor, and this is the LED which we have used to show the prototype for a street light lamp.
So we showed you how a smart street light system works using an LDR and an IR sensor. Now we'll be demonstrating how the smart street light system can be controlled using your mobile smartphone application. So we have used here a platform called Blink. Blink is an IoT platform which comes handy and it has some great functionalities. So I'll be showing you how to control this LED, which is a prototype of smart street light, using my smartphone. So I've added a button here which is used for turning the LED on and off. I have another button here which is for indication that the intensity of the light is high or low, and here is a slider which controls the intensity of the light. So we can control the intensity of the light depending on the brightness or darkness of the surrounding. So I can turn this on. When I turn it on, it shows that it is currently on the high intensity. Here we can control the intensity of the light using the slider. So currently the intensity is at 65 and the LED is glowing at a lower intensity, which means the light intensity is somewhat low. Now as I increase the intensity to 255, which I have kept as the highest limit, the LED bulb glows much brighter. Well, the advantage of this functionality is that we can save a lot of energy and eventually the cost of electricity for smart street lights, as well as it can be used in homes or parking lights or anywhere. So the conclusion of this project is this project is basically being implemented all over the world in new cities, smart cities, basically small cities and villages where the population is less and the amount of traffic is relatively less. So we hope that this project will save a lot of costs and a lot of energy in the future for a sustainable environment. And we hope you liked our project and our thought behind this project. Thank you.
Thank you.